Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the exact image file and confirming its type so the system handles it correctly. Open it now with a simple viewer like Photos or a lightweight editor such as Paint. This gives you immediate editing controls. Once opened, make a duplicate using Save As or copy-paste into the same folder to preserve the original. This prevents accidental loss and lets you experiment, so do that first, and then proceed to the actual change with confidence. Now you edit deliberately. Crop to remove distractions, or resize to fit the target dimension. Hold Shift or check Maintain Aspect Ratio to avoid distortion. Then adjust color using brightness, contrast, and saturation so the image reads clearly on screen. Auto can be a quick baseline. If you need to remove blemishes or add text, use Selection and Erase tools or paste in a new element from the clipboard. Make small changes, review them, and undo if something looks off. Finish by saving in the correct format. Choose JPG for photos and PNG when you need transparency, and set quality to balance size versus clarity. Once saved, apply it where needed, set as desktop background, upload to a website, or insert into a document, and then verify on the target device. If something goes wrong, reopen your backup copy, check file permissions or file size limits, and reduce resolution if uploads fail. These quick troubleshooting steps usually fix common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.